Hey, Sparrow here with the Real Estate Guy team, and I am at 4187 Sparrow Rocket. Man, I am excited. Let's go take a look. This is an exclusive listing by Nicole Tomlinson with IS Luxury. She was nice enough to let us give you a tour of this 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2 car garage, 1,700 plus square foot home. It's up here in the Northwest, right up against the Northwest Mountains. Take a look at the living room. It's open right here where the camera woman's standing. That could be kind of your dining room, I guess. It's got some recessed lighting above it. But your living room opens, your kitchen, you could probably put your dining room right there too. But you do have back there where you'd put a little bistro table, maybe a little breakfast nook. Cute little backyard. House has been fully remodeled. Garage is fully finished, painted, floor seal coated. Nice clean garage. That bad boy looks like it's never had a car in it. But again, kitchen, nice pantry, opens up to the living room. So you're able to still cook, clean, and talk. Right down here, you do have a half bath right here with a little coat closet as you come in. Look at that. This nice unit, beautiful unit. It's been fully remodeled, top to bottom. Smells clean, looks clean. We're gonna zoom right up these stairs. You just can't beat, when we get into the bedrooms, you can't beat these mountain views. Every room has a mountain view. Right here, this window looks out towards Reverence and be on the other side of that mountain if you want to know kind of relatively where are we at. That's Reverence. That's Cliff Shadows right there, the road. This is one guest bedroom. You got another little coat closet, storage linen closet. Second bedroom. And boom, mountain view. Laundry room. Well, laundry, we'll call laundry closet. It's got storage in it. It's clean. It's nice. Conveniently located between all the rooms. Here's a third bedroom. And again, this bedroom all have mountain views. That's a new D.R. Horton development. They're about 3/4 of the way built right up there where you see the red balloon. Nice bathroom that 3 bedrooms would share. And then you have the primary, which does not connect to any of the bedrooms. It does connect to the bathroom, so you have to hear people in there. But boom, Lone Mountain. So you are sandwiched between Lone Mountain and the West Mountains. I'm not 100% sure the name of them. I call them the mountains in the Northwest. Primary bathroom's got big soaker tub, nice shower, walk-in closet. Again, everything's been freshly painted. Looks like new carpet, new flooring. We're going to turn right around over into here. You got dual sinks. Then you got the commode room, which has cabinetry. And then to the right, there's a little cutout right there. You could hang your bathrobes or put a little rack, storage rack there. But again, you got nice primary bedroom. So come on, let's get out of here. Zoom, zoom. So if you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate in the Las Vegas market, remember, I'm Sparrow. I'm your realtor. With that, I appreciate you doing this home tour with us. Do not forget to subscribe and like and turn on the notifications to get more home tours.